We discussed in class subtracting negative numbers using two-color counters by first thinking about subtracting positive numbers. So we're going to do the problem 6 minus 2 to start with. So I'm going to have 6 yellow counters. They're yellow because 6 is positive, and the yellow counters represent positive quantities. So to think about subtracting, we can think of that as take away or separate. There are lots of ways we talked about showing this, either by circling them, showing that we're removing them would be an example, or taking them away by Xing them out to show they're no longer a part of what we have. So we're going to use this same idea to think about the problem -6 minus 2. This time, I'm going to use red counters because 6 is negative and the red counters represent negative quantities. Okay, we need to take away 2. My 2 is positive, all right? If it were negative, that problem would look like -6 minus -2, whether that's in parentheses or not. But this 2 is positive. This is the subtraction sign. The 2 that we're trying to subtract are positive. So to take away 2 positive, which are yellow, you can see I do not have any yellow counters. Okay. Therefore, in order to take 2 away, I need to get 2. So how do I get 2 positive yellow counters? Okay. One way to do that would be to add a positive and a negative together. Okay. Remember, a positive and a negative together is the quantity of 0. Right? We haven't changed the value of what we have here. Because these 2 cancel each other out or equal 0, the value that we have with my counters is still -6. I have not changed the value. Okay? So this would allow me to take away 1 yellow counter, or +1. Because I need to take away +2, I am going to add another set of counters that are positive and negative, because again, the value that I have here is still worth -6. I have not changed the value of what is shown with my 2-color counters. These 2 cancel out to make 0. These 2 cancel out to make 0. And I'm left with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Except now I am able to actually take away my +2. Okay, I can take away +2. Again, we talked about what does that look like. I can cross out 2 yellow counters to represent taking away +2. And I am left with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, showing that -6 minus 2 equals -8.